Welcome to AlphaCars and Ural of New England. Today, we're taking a look at a 2019 Ural Gear Up in Forest Fog Metallic. It has many nice accessories on it, and today we're going to do a thorough inspection of it, learn a little bit about it, as this bike is for sale here at AlphaCars and Ural of New England at the date of this video posting. Check out our inventory on our website, alphacars.com. We've got plenty of new and used Royal Enfield, Urals, and a nice selection of premium automobiles. But let's get to this Gear Up. We actually originally sold this bike. We uncrated it, we assembled it, and we sold it to the one owner. They've put around 11,000 miles on it. It's been well loved, and they've had a blast with it. And now they traded it in here and have moved on to their next adventure. But this bike is now ready to put even more miles on it. It's in tip-top shape. We've gone over it in our service department, and you can view all the information like brake and tire life and the service report on the online listing on alphacars.com. But let's take a closer look at the Gear Up here. It's got plenty of accessories. We installed all of these accessories during various service visits with the bike. We did complete the first service on time as well. The owner brought it to us for that. And let's start going over some of these accessories. So we've got the famous winch kit on the front there. Also a secondary fuel canister mounted on the sidecar. There is the sidecar spotlight, a well-loved accessory by the Ural enthusiasts. Also the sidecar windscreen here with the apron to match the tonneau cover. This bike does come with the tonneau cover. Let me open this up for us. And it's in really nice shape. You can view pictures of it on the website on alphacars.com. In the listing for this bike, you can view that installed. But we've got some documents with the bike there and the toolkit rolled up in the nice trunk. This bike does have the undercoating inside the trunk and under the sidecar, as well as in the sidecar tub. And I believe it's also, yep, it is on the underside of the fenders as well. So this is fully undercoated, and it's really going to do a great job protecting it against rust and corrosion. But as you can see here, it's got the rubber mats in there all ready to go. Even a nice little strip of paint protection film right here that protects the paint from opening and closing the trunk there. So that's a nice added touch. And we have, back to the accessories, we've got the sidecar fender rack there. And dual tractor seats really add such an awesome look to the bike there. Another very popular accessory. Up on the handlebars here, we've got heated grips with the controller right here. And the hand guards as well. And these are nice because they're the full braced hand guards. They're not just the hand guards that connect on the bar end. So these really will take, a good impact and deflect things. Keep your hands safe and keep your hands warmer as well against the cold air, as this will deflect some of the cold air off of your hands and arms. And I believe the last accessory we have here is the headlamp rock guard. Adds a nice tough look to the bike. And let's pay more attention now to the condition of the bike. We can see the brake rotor here is in really nice shape, that big 4-piston Brembo caliper. The engine's super clean. The exhaust is in such nice condition as well. And of course, as I mentioned, the bike has just been very well loved throughout its life, even though, it has been enjoyed and ridden. We've got a little imperfection in the paint right there. It looks like it has been touched up, so it's not going to rust or anything. And now looking under the bike, we have the factory undercoating, drive shaft there, one of the tailpipes as well. Now looking in the sidecar seating area, there is a little imperfection in the seat just right there. But other than that, it's very clean in here. It has the factory mat, and if we look deeper in there, there's some of the wiring and mounts run nicely for the winch kit there. And now rounding out back at the front of the bike, once again, the headers, exhaust, super clean, nice condition. The cylinder there, everything is looking great. And now let's start it up. Turn on the ignition. And it just fires right into life. This bike runs so well. And it does have an LED running light kit for the sidecar. And I believe for the tail light as well. Let me hit the brake, let's see what it does. Yeah, there we go, LED brake light as well. You can see how bright that is on both sides. And what about the turn signals? Also got LED turn signals. And they blink correctly as it uses our kit from our online store. Check that out, shop.alphacars.com. You can purchase all these accessories from there. I believe that's where this customer did over the years and had us put them on the bike for him. But I believe that's all I have for you today on this Ural Gear Up. I hope you enjoyed looking around the bike with me today. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comments below or give us a call at 978-263-9000 if you are interested in this Ural. If you are watching this video in the future, the bike might be sold, but don't sweat it. Still give us a call, check out our inventory. We've got tons of other new and used Urals, as well as two-wheeled bikes, Royal Enfields, and as I mentioned, a fine selection of hand-picked automobiles. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough showroom. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe so then you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.